So this is the PureFit Grip Cap version 2.0. So you have this ice milk silk cotton that helps your head stay cool. Today I'm here with Liana from UniWigs, and I wanted to do a little quick review and also share some tips that might be helpful this summer in helping your wig look fabulous. So Liana is made out of 100% Remy human hair. This is the length of 15 inches. It also comes in 10 inches, which is kind of like a short bob type of length. Very cute too. The density on Liana is gonna be 130%. I went ahead and styled her straight because I thought this length, it would look really nice. But since this is human hair, you are able to style it however you want, waves, curls, just make sure you use some heat protectant. So let me give you a 360 of Liana. So we have the front, we have my left side, the back, and my right side. This is the color Espresso Cream Blend, also noted as 516R. It's a gorgeous dark brown base with some creamy highlights, perfect for the summer. So this cap, Liana, runs small/medium. So I am a 21 circumference, so I typically wear small. This one feels a little bigger on my head, but I am still able to wear it. I am still able to get that ear tuck, but personal preference, I would just veer more towards the smaller size just because from a comfort perspective. But this is the PureFit Grip Cap, which I'll go ahead and show you the inside. So this is the PureFit Grip Cap version 2.0. So you have this ice milk silk cotton that helps your head stay cool. You have adjusters here, and you have an additional one for a personalized fit. This is gonna help your ear to ear fit. You have silicone lining for a better grip, especially if you don't have hair. This is my favorite. It's like a built-in wig grip, so you don't have to worry about having your wig grip on. I feel that adds less bulk under the wig, so definitely very helpful. You have a comb here at the sides. You have some clips here at the sides too if you want to snap those on. You have your lace area where you can go ahead and part this any direction you like. But this cap is definitely a favorite and super comfortable. Now, some quick tips to have your human hair piece looking fabulous during the summer is you are already exposing your wig to higher temperatures during the summer, so you want to try to minimize heat styling to prevent, drying and damage. So now is the time to try those heatless curls, to maybe you can dampen the hair, put it in braids, and then just leave those overnight and take them out to have that kind of like very cool beachy texture on your hair. You can use a UV protectant spray to avoid it when you're out and about from the UV rays from the sun. You want to make sure that you're storing your wig in a cool, dry place. You want to make sure it's out of the sunlight. So like a closet, a shelf, a box, a satin bag. Those are all great places to store your wig and protect your investment. Yeah, give me a message here and I'd be able to comment, and I'll be more than happy to help you out if you have any questions regarding this piece.